Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to withdraw dollars and receive uBitcoins using the SafePal application. First open your SafePal application and then go to Explore tab. In the search bar, type in your URL and then select uBitScan and then go enter your login credentials and sign in. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, click on withdraw and enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Remember, the amount should be multiples of 10 and the minimum withdrawal is $20. Here I am withdrawing 20. Click OK. Here it's a confirmation message, and to check your withdrawal request, tap on the 3-line menu at the top, select withdrawal and then go to withdraw history, and here you will see a list of all my withdrawal requests. As you can see, the status of withdrawal request is currently in pending. Once it changes to confirmed, then the uBitcoin will be received. So here you can see the status is confirmed. Let's quickly verify our uBitcoins, and here you can see our uBitcoins updated to 221. So that's how you can withdraw dollars and receive them as a uBitcoins. Thank you so much for watching.